in this presentation, I'll be discussing Chapter 3, 3.5, Control of the Cell Division. In this presentation, I'll be talking about the controls of the cell division and how they vary amongst different types of cells. They're very different depending on the types. During the cell division, skin and blood cells divide more often and continuously. Neuron cells divide a specific number of times. Then C's up here in the corner as well. This is a skin cell, and down here is a blood cell, and then right here is another neuron cell. Cells divide to provide a more favorable surface R2 volume relationship. Growth factors and hormones stimulate cell division. Hormones stimulate mitosis, smooth muscle cells in the uterus, such as like when you're like pregnant or something. Epidermal growth factor stimulates growth of new skin cells, of like when you like get a scratch. Contact density dependent inhibition for tumors is another part of a cell division. The consequence of a loss in cell cycle control. Two types of tumors is benign, which usually just stays in one spot, and then malignant is invasive and can metastasize, which can spread to different areas and become cancerous. Two major types of the genes cause cancers. Oncogenes, active other genes that increase cell division, which would probably lead to this one. Tumor suppressed genes normally regulate mitosis. If inactive, they are unable to regulate the mitosis. Cells are now known as immortal, which these would be known as. Other than that, thank you so much.